Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change username on Telegram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open your Telegram app and tap on top left 3 lines. After that, you have to click on Settings. After that, here you have to click on your username. Now here you can change your username and add a new username. After adding the username, you have to click on the save icon at the top right. Now after adding the username here, click on the save icon from the top right. So here you can see, in this way you can change your username in Telegram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.